Hi everyone, I am Sandip Ray. I am from Orissa, Bhubaneswar, and I have completed my B.Tech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. As I was searching for an IT job for a long time, one of my friends suggested me to join Evision, so I finally joined Evision's job internship program, which consists of 45 days, where I got to learn many topics like basic networking, CCNA, virtualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, ITIL, and cyber security. So the teachers and staffs at Evision are very supportive. They used to conduct interview sessions and prepare us well for the interview, and I'm very happy that I got selected at Collabra Technologies with 3.5 LPA package. So I want to thank to the entire team of Evision for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, Evision.